What do you think is the sexiest food? My name's Alana Johnston, and this is Food for Thought. What do you think is the sexiest food?
Sexy?
What do you think is the sexiest food?
Gosh, I've never even thought about that.
Think now, you're on camera.
I don't know. I like a good bowl of pasta. I feel like you get like that Slurpee action. I don't know.
Oh yeah, you mean this sexy move?
Yeah.
Pork, probably.
Whoa, wait a minute. Time out. Time out.
I think the butter.
Butter? Okay. Okay, what about... I have not heard that answer yet.
I would say fruit is pretty sexy. I think fruit, it's kind of symbolic. It's the reproductive organ of the plant.
Yeah, like 2 cantaloupes.
Squash pancakes.
Squash pancakes? Is that pancakes made out of squash?
Correct. Yeah.
I'm good.
They're gluten-free, they're delicious. It has sweet avocado topping on it and homemade granola and things like that.
See, that sounds sexy to me.
Food, like a nice butternut squash. It's got all those curves,
Anything with chocolate on it.
So what do you plan to do with all this chocolate?
If you want to be sexy, you can sprinkle it on someone, kind of like drizzle it on someone, I guess.
So basically, like, get a vat of hot chocolate, put your hand in it, and then do one of these on somebody?
Exactly.
And you've done this before?
No, I have not.
Okay, Crystal, quick, giving out advice for things you don't know about.
Strawberry is the right answer. The wrong answer would be cucumber.
Okay, I see.
I'd say steak. Steak is associated to date night. And you know what leads into date night.
I don't.
We'll just let that be interpreted.
We'll let that be interpreted, okay? Christian, do you have any food advice for anyone?
Eat regularly to remain alive.
You know what? That's sound advice, and surprisingly, nobody else has said that. So I appreciate you trying to keep me alive. Thank you, Christian. These answers were wild today. Thank you so much for watching with us. Thank you so much to Blueys for having us. Please subscribe and let us know your answers in the comments. Don't be afraid. I promise I won't judge.